quiz from Word templates. In this video, let's see how to import questions that you have typed on a Word document into a quiz in your Moodle course, so you don't have to keep typing every single questions directly into Moodle when you're creating your quiz. I got a sample quiz prepared on a Word document. I'm going to show you first how to format the questions in a way that the Moodle can read them when you upload them into your course. And then I will show you how to go ahead and get them imported into your quizzes in Moodle. First of all, let's create a blank quiz. Click on the gear menu and turn the editing on. Then select the section where you want the quiz and click on Add an activity or resource. Select the quiz and click on Add. So you can give a name to your quiz and a description. We have discussed all these things in an earlier video. You can even go through the other settings and click on Save and Return to the course. Notice that I do have a quiz now, but I don't have any questions in it since I haven't uploaded any of my questions yet. Now we are going to create a category in our question bank. Click on the gear menu, click on More. In the course administration, you can go to the question bank section and click on the categories. Creating categories for all your quizzes make it a lot easier to find them. Click on the categories and at a glance you see your course name as a parent category, but I'm going to select it as top. But I want this to be a top level quiz for this particular course. Give it a name and a course information and click on give it a name and category information and click on Add Category. As you can see, you have successfully added the category. The step 3 is to prepare the Moodle friendly text file before importing them. You have to remove any description on your Word file. You have to remove all the question numbers and then change the format of your words to capitals. Get rid of the question numbers, those are not required and are actually going to mess up your import if you do have them. Also, then you have to type the correct answer under the questions, all in block letters or the caps. And also delete any space between questions and answers. Once you remove question numbers and spaces, check your document to ensure all details are clear and neat. And then you have to save it as a plain text file. You can go ahead and click on File, then Save As, and give the file type as plain text and click on Save. I'm going to open up the text file and double check that all are clean and neat. Go back to the course administration and then under the question bank click on import. Select the file format as icon format, and this is very important. Scroll down and get to the next step, which is general. This is the step that a lot of people miss, and this is where they face a lot of problems when they try to upload their quizzes to Moodle. Expand the general. In import categories, select the category which we made earlier. Uncheck the other two options. Those are not necessary. And place the cursor on the text file including questions and just drag and drop it to the box appear in the import question. Then click on import. Now you will see the questions appear and go through them quickly to check and click on continue. So now we have just uploaded the questions to the category. If you go ahead and click on the quiz, you will see still there are no questions available. So click on edit quiz. Now click on add and select from the question bank, and then select the category we just created. Once you selected this, this will show you the questions again. Click on the top checkbox to automatically select all, then click on add selected questions to quiz. Now you can change the maximum grade or the grades for each group. Then click on save. If I click on the quiz and preview the quiz, now you will see how the students see this quiz. So the student can select the answers and move to the next page, and the quiz navigation will show the quiz completion levels. So the student can submit all. The student can see right and wrong answers. And click on a start new preview.